Alright, part 3, the Battle Pack 2 War of Games. And I noticed all these cards I got, they have this weird, like, I don't know how to explain it. They're pretty sweet though. All of them have this certain cool little holographic shine to them. And this one looks particularly pretty sweet. So yeah, okay, so charity. This one looks pretty cool. Just looks pretty sweet. And then for the War of Giants round 2, I got some pretty cool ones there as well. Gachi. This one looks pretty sweet. And then I got 3 actually of these. Gaga girl. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't be afraid to post and let me know what they're worth or how rare they are, because I honestly have no idea. So yeah, thanks guys.